I'm starting to cook more in my Instant Pot, so today I'm going to make a whole video of me making stuff in my Instant Pot over time. It's not going to be like just this week, but I'm about to make chicken fajitas in the Instant Pot and I will bring you along. I'll put the recipe in the description. In quarantine, like day 532, and I look fantastic. Alright guys, I only had street taco size tortillas, so I have to cut my chicken. Hey guys, so today's recipe in the Instant Pot, I am going to make buffalo chicken wraps. It's meant for lettuce wraps, but I think I'm going to put it on a flatbread, a flat out wrap thing with lettuce. I don't know. But this is a Skinny Taste recipe and it's really old, but I got it on our website, so I'll put it down below. But the fajitas turned out really good, so I'm going to try out the buffalo chicken and I'll bring you along. I actually want to tell you some Instant Pot facts that I just thought about that a lot of people don't know, and I share it with like friends and family and they're like shook. So the lid, you can change out the ring. I have backups because they soak up the scents of your food. So if you're like cooking a cheesecake in any dessert, it'll take that scent. Like I just changed this because I made coffee and my ring smells like coffee. So you could take it out and you can put it in the dishwasher on the top rack, or some people like hanging out outside and apparently it gets rid of the scent. But the whole lid can actually go on the top rack in the dishwasher, FYI. And so can the actual bowl. I have a stainless steel bowl, so I have two bowls, but pots, sorry. So usually what I like to do, I got these on Amazon, and I'll put labels on a Ziploc and I'll put like sweet and savory, so the scents for them can go with that type of food group. So like my chicken won't taste like coffee. So fun fact for that. And also a lot of people don't know that the lid literally fits right on the side. Bam. Fun facts. Alright guys, I suck and I didn't turn on my mic when I was doing this, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. Basically, when the chicken is cooking in the Instant Pot, I cut up some celery and carrots to put on top of the wrap whenever I make it when it's done. But right now, the chicken is in the Instant Pot with chicken broth and onions and celery for 15 minutes, and it's going to naturally release. I just used a normal generic chicken broth that's fat-free, and then buffalo wing sauce, also generic, but a lot of people like using Frank's, so you could really use whatever buffalo sauce you want. So once it's done naturally releasing, I will open it, take the chicken out and shred it, and remove half of the broth, keep half of it, and all the veggies are going to go in the trash that's in the Instant Pot. And then I'll put it back in and I'll saute it with the buffalo sauce for 2 minutes. Let's just ignore what I look like right now, but I forgot to mention at the end what I thought about it, the buffalo chicken ones. Currently editing the video, but I did really like it. I do think it's not as spicy as I would like it, so when I'm making a wrap, I want to add more on top because I feel like the chicken broth just made it less spicy. So if you like it like that, if you're not a big spice fan, then you would probably like it. But for me, I'm probably gonna put more on top, including the ranch. So, but yeah, otherwise it was really good, and I thought it all went well. I'm probably gonna make one more Instant Pot video recipe before I upload this video, and it might be another Skinny Taste one because that's all I do. I love her recipes, and I have all of her cookbooks. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this type of video of me cooking in the Instant Pot. Hey guys, for the last Instant Pot recipe that I'm making for this video, I'm going to be doing another Skinny Taste, but the Instant Pot Chipotle chicken bowls with cilantro lime rice. So there's a few things I'm doing a little different than the recipe. First off, I am not making cilantro lime, it's actually quinoa. I'm not making it because I have the Uncle Ben's 90-second rice, so I'll just use that. She uses corn on the cob. I have a can of corn, and also I could not find chipotle paste, so I actually got a chipotle salsa. So I'm kind of gonna do like a little like salsa chicken type vibe thing, but the rest is gonna be the same. So let's do this. I forgot to start filming, so basically what I just did was I put the 2 pieces of chicken, poured in chipotle salsa, which is not enough. You need a cup of liquid, so then I added regular salsa. So just added salt, pepper, and then I'm gonna add cumin. Cumin. Then I am going to cook it on high pressure for 20 minutes. Quick or natural release it, and then add the corn, which I'm just using a can of corn. it's done, I'm gonna quick release it. The pin just drops, so I open it. And it says to put the corn in and pressure cook it for 2 minutes. Since I'm not using corn on the cob, I'm using canned, so I'm just actually going to put it in for 0 minutes, let it pressure, and then release it. While the corn is going with the chicken, I am going to prep what's going to go on top of my bowl. Next, I'm going to shred the chicken, so there's still some corn on it. The rest is actually in the Instant Pot, but my favorite way of shredding is with a hand mixer. It's easier than doing it with a... Okay, so I ended up adding the corn and some of the sauce from the Instant Pot back in here to keep it moist, and then I have all the corn, obviously. So now I'm going to build my bowl. Right, guys, I have not tried the bowl yet. Obviously, I made it look pretty for the gram, but I'm really excited for this. It's probably delicious. For sure. Adding that Chipotle salsa definitely made it spicy. Definitely, I mean, it basically is a Chipotle bowl, like from Chipotle. A burrito bowl, basically. That's what it is. Very delicious. I hope you really liked this video. I really liked filming it, and so doing more in the Instant Pot is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. So thank you for challenging me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want another video like this, I will gladly keep doing it. There's definitely going to be an air fryer one coming. I haven't obviously cooked in the air fryer this week because I've been doing the Instant Pot, but I could do it next week or whenever. Please let me know down below what other videos you like, where you want to see. I'm obviously going to be home for a while, so it's really nice out. I have the window open. Yes. All right. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My viewers are laughing at me right now for the size of my tortillas. Gotta get my model, you know?